Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. So let's get started with open the application, and I recommend to install the application to enable a lot of features here. So the first one, these headphones have ANC. Cool, I like it, the best one. Now I put it to my ears to show it to you. So we can also manage it. We can choose the smart one or high, it's up to you. And also we can enable personalized noise cancellation. Next one, we have transparency mode. Also, I like it. When you wanna speak with someone, you just enable transparency and that's it. Next one, we have bass boost. Right here, it's called bass way here, and we can also manage it. So I choose the strongest one, but it's up to you. You can choose the best one for you. Cool. Next one, we have game mode. So if you play games, I recommend it to use it. Why not? And the last one, that these headphones have dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.